Hi everyone! In this video, we're going to look at the type of essays that you are likely to be asked in the IELTS Writing Task 2. There are 4 types of essays. The first type is discursive essays. You have 30% chance of getting this essay. The second type is advantage and disadvantage essay. You have 20% chance of getting this type of essay. The third type of essay is argumentative essay. You have 30% chance. And the last one is cause-effect solution essays, and you have 20% chance of getting this type of essay. Now let's look at the first type, which is discursive essay. With this question type, you are shown 2 opposing opinions, and your task is to prove that both opinions are reasonable. The format of the questions of discursive essay is like this. Some people think, opinion 1. Other people believe, opinion 2. The question is discuss and give your opinion. Let's look at some example. Question 1. Many qualified people are moving from poor to rich countries to work in specialist areas. Some people believe that by encouraging this movement, rich countries are stealing from poor countries. Others feel that this is a natural movement of workers. Discuss. Question 2. People are now living longer than before. Many old people are unable to look after themselves. Some people believe that family members should look after the elderly, while others say that governments should provide more retirement homes. Discuss. Question 3. Some people believe that to better up public health, the government should increase the number of sports facilities. Others believe that it has little effects and need other measures to improve it. Discuss both views and give your opinion. The second question type is advantage and disadvantage essays. In this type of essay, you are shown a factual trend, and your task is to present the advantages and the disadvantages of this trend. The format of this question type is, you'll be given a trend. The question will be, is this a negative or positive trend? Do the advantages outweigh the disadvantages? Let's look at some examples. Question 1. More and more people want to own famous brands of cars, clothes, and other items. Is this a negative or positive trend? Question 2. Few languages are increasingly spoken in different countries, while the usage of others is rapidly declining. Is this a positive or negative development? Question 3. Nowadays, private companies carry out more scientific research than the government. Do the advantages outweigh the disadvantages? The third type of essay is argumentative essays. In this question type, you are shown 1 opinion, and you'll need to present arguments for why you agree or disagree with it. The format of the question of this type of essay is an opinion. The question will be, to what extent do you agree or disagree with this statement? Or what is your opinion? Here are some examples. Question 1. There has been a good deal of controversy in recent years regarding violent video games. There are many people who feel such games promote violent and aggressive behaviors in children and should be banned. To what extent do you agree or disagree? Question 2. Some people think that the money spent on looking after animals in zoos or national parks would be better spent on improving the lives of the human population. To what extent do you agree or disagree with this statement? Question 3. Today, more and more people are using mobile phones and computers. Thus, people are losing their abilities to communicate face to face. To what extent do you agree or disagree? The last question type is cause-effect solutions essay. In this type of essay, you are shown a factual trend and you'll need to present some causes, effects, or solutions for it, depending on the type of questions that you'll be asked. The format is you'll be given a trend, and the questions might be, why is this the case? What problems does it cause? Suggest some possible solutions to it. Here are a few examples. Question 1. Housing shortage in big cities can cause severe social consequences. What are the problems and how can they be solved? Question 2. Nowadays, more and more people decide to have children late in their lives. What are the reasons? What are the effects on society and family lives? Question 3. With divorce rates and family breakdowns increasing globally, it is generally accepted that families today are not as close as they used to be. Discuss the causes of this problem and offer some possible solutions to it. Remember the 4 types of essays? You need to be able to distinguish between them. The first type is discursive essay, then we have advantage and disadvantage essay, then we have argumentative essay, and the last one is cause-effect solution essays. Now let's move on to the next video where we'll learn the 5 steps to write an essay.